In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide modules in Zoho CRM. This process can be handy when you want to streamline your dashboard and focus on the most critical elements for your business without clutter. So, let's get started and walk through this step-by-step process together. First, let's begin by heading over to your homepage in Zoho CRM. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface of the CRM, where you manage and navigate through various functionalities. It's a pivotal starting point because it acts as the nerve center of all your CRM activities. Next, we need to dive into Settings. You'll find this option on your homepage. Clicking on Settings is crucial because it opens up an array of customization options that allow you to tailor your CRM experience to suit your specific needs. Once you're in the settings, take a moment to acclimate yourself to the available options, as there are numerous paths you can explore for greater efficiency and customization. Now, direct your attention to the Customization section. This section houses the tools for modifying and adjusting various components of your CRM. Customization is the key to personalizing your CRM experience, making it work more suitably for the unique requirements of your organization. After locating this section, you're one step closer to hiding modules. Within the Customization menu, click on Modules and Fields. This is where you'll manage your modules and ensure that your CRM is organized in a way that enhances productivity and coordination within your team. Remember, keeping your CRM interface simple and straightforward is essential for fostering a seamlessly navigable environment. As you enter the Modules and Fields section, it's time to focus on the status of your modules. This indicates which modules are currently active or inactive. Being mindful of this status allows you to ascertain which modules are unnecessary for your day-to-day operations and can be hidden to improve your workflow. Finally, choose a module that you wish to hide and toggle the switch button. This action will deactivate the module, effectively hiding it from your main CRM interface. Making this choice can dramatically declutter your view, helping you and your team concentrate on indispensable tasks and data. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden modules in Zoho CRM, resulting in a cleaner, more focused workspace. By following these steps, you can make your CRM experience more efficient, helping to improve overall productivity and clarity. Thanks for following along, and remember, adjusting your CRM setup to better match your workflow can make a significant impact on how effectively you and your team manage customer relationships. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments below. See you next time.